Hello students. So in the today's session we will discuss how to use LMS or how to give the attendance, how to give different types of tests on LMS. So what is mean by LMS? LMS is learning management system. It is developed by Sanjeevani. So this is your URL 18.235.169.74 slash. So when you are entering this LMS, this type of portal you will get. So in that one, so there are different colleges are there. We are enrolled for Sanjeevani Junior College. So we will enter for Sanjeevani Junior College. In that one, in Sanjeevani Junior College, in right side corner, so login tab is there. So you have to go through login and enroll whatever ID you have assigned with their password. If you are assigned XIC34, then you have to write down at username XIC34. So I will give the test TEST. So this is my testing ID. So don't use this testing ID and password. So whatever password you have assigned, so that password you have to write down here. That password you have to write down. So I entered the ID and password. So this type of portal I have seen. So in that portal, there are different subjects I have assigned. So physics, chemistry, maths, biology. So there are different subjects I have assigned. So I will select here a chemistry subject for C division. So chemistry subject. So in that chemistry subject, so it will guide us initially how to utilize this one, but I will not utilize this one. So there are different tasks are there: online lectures, competitive lectures, state board lecture, attendance is also there. So one more practice demo test is also enrolled here. So there are different notes. So this is chapter number 1, chapter number 2. In that chapter we can identify, in the chapter we can study online lectures, that is up of YouTube channel, then PDF material, then assignments are also there, then PPTs are also there. So this is a combined portal by which we can get all the material, all the study material. So you have to utilize this one for daily purpose. So I will tell you one by one. If there is a chemistry lecture, first of all, if there is a chemistry lecture, so what you have to do, attendance will be active within first 15 minutes. So you have to click initially on attendance. In that attendance, so submit the attendance. So right now this session is going on 3:55 to 4:30 is my session timing. So submit attendance. In that attendance, what you have to do? Present. I am right now present in the session, so I am present. So save the changes. So I have submitted my attendance, and in between 3:35 to 4:30 I am present in that session. So this is self-recorded attendance. I have submitted a self-recorded attendance. So after that, just go through initial dashboard page of division C of chemistry. So this is the way you can identify, or this is the way by which you can give the attendance for any course. So next, second one for lecture. So I submitted the attendance. Second one, I have to go in the lecture. So it is a state board lecture, chemistry state board lecture. So when I click on this lecture, I will directly automatically enters in the chemistry lecture. So this is path, how to go the lecture, how to go inside the lecture. So practice test, if here there is a unit test or any practice test is there, so how to attend the test in perfect timing, in a specific timing which is allotted by the college. You have to open this website and click on the demo practice test. So attempt the quiz now. So I demonstrated quiz here. So first question, SI unit of temperature is what? It is Kelvin. So I will click here on Kelvin. Then the next page. So this is your question number 1. The second question, atom is the smallest particle of an element. So we will finish the test. So there are 2 questions enrolled right now here, but sometime it may be 20, 25, 30. So that type of submit and finish. Submit all and finish. By which we can get first answer is correct, second is also correct. So by which we can finish our test, and the marks or scorecard will be display here. Third, again on the first page or desktop page of chemistry subject. So how to submit an assignment if there are different topics are there. So here the assignment for atomic structure topic. So this is your atomic structure, that is structure of an atom, and assignment is given by the different teacher. So assignment is given by the Shete sir. So how to submit the assignment? What is the due date? Tuesday, 6th October is the due date. Up to 12 a.m. you have to submit this assignment. What is the time? 6 days and 7 hours remains to submit this assignment. So how to submit? Add a submission. You have to click on add submission, and after that click on this one. Your mobile or your PC folders will be opened. Your mobile and PC folders will be opened. So by which you have to upload, choose an assignment, choose a file from mobile or from desktop. So this is your assignment. So uploading assignment. So I have uploaded a PDF, Word file. You can upload PDF or PPT for 40 MB. So this is submission is already there on 29th September. By this way, and see right now it is green, submitted for grading. So this is your LMS in which we can go through different types of tasks. One more, so if this is my chemistry subject, so in that one, if you are clicking on any topic, if you are clicking on this one, so you will get video lectures. So when I clicking on this one, I will get a lecture for Dalton's atomic theory. According to subject, you will get all the specifications, all the notes, PDF, PPTs in a one portal.
Let's discuss the new topic.